Hi there everyone, today I'm here to show you RecPro's RV adjustable table leg, which is super convenient for your small spaces and transforming your dinette into a bed or a little napping area. So this table leg comes with a really cool feature where you can unlock it under the table so that you can move it forward and backwards to be comfortable wherever you want to sit, and if you have company, you can move it to make everyone fit comfortably. And then when you're done and you have it where you want it, you can lock it in place wherever it feels comfortable for you. RecPro's adjustable table leg comes equipped with this lever that when you squeeze it, you can move it up and down. And that way you can make your dinette space into a little bed so that you can take naps. And its weight capacity is 176 pounds at the table's lowest position, and at its highest position, the capacity is 88 pounds. Our RV adjustable table leg is super durable so that it fits any of your camping and RV needs, whether that's making it into a little day bed and taking a nap, or playing some really intense card games. Our adjustable table leg is super easy to install. All it takes is a few screws to screw into the floor to stabilize it, and you're good to go. And if you'd like to see the dimensions for our table leg, we will put them on the screen so you can pause and take a look at them if you want. If you want to learn more about RecPro's telescopic table leg, you can hit the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro. And now I'm gonna go to bed.